Hey friends, I'm taking advantage of an incorrect forecast, look at this day, to fish Rock Creek near my house. So, I've hooked one fish here. I think I got it on film. Of course, it was the first cast in the right place. But I'm going to wait till the sun gets on the water. So I'm going to go upstream a little bit, show you some water that I don't think I've filmed before. Thanks for following along. Well, I promised myself I wouldn't cross. I'm gonna break it. First cast. Oh! Did you see that? Helios! Dammit! Oh, I've had this Helios for I don't know, 7 years. Damn it. Did you hear that snap? I hope so. Shit. So, fishing's over for today. So it was worth crossing the river, kind of. That was a beautiful cutthroat, but not a beautiful Helios. So this has been a tough start to the year. I ripped my waders last week, not on the seams, but you know, I had Orvis Sonic seam waders for 9 years, so they were really good waders. I did slide down on my butt a lot, and they didn't rip on the seams, so I'm thinking I just wore through them. So if you have any suggestions of what waders I should get to replace them, because they don't make the Sonic seams anymore, put them in the comments. I appreciate it. And I'm sure I'm going to be sending old Helios back. I've got other rods. So, hey, next week I'm going to go over to the Silver Bow Club on Big Hole River. They're one of my clients, and they're building some new cabins, and I thought it might be fun for us to check out the Big Hole in winter. Thanks for following along. We'll see you next time.